So today I'm going to show the range of the eero system. So this is the router. I got the 3-pack, so they got one router and 2 extenders. Over here I've got a wheel, and where I'm standing, this is, I'll tell you what, there we go, that's it, it's print. It was actually at 3 bars earlier, but it's at full bars now, so I could definitely go a little further than this. So I went I don't know, a ways from that. But now I'm going to take this measuring wheel, and we can see that it is currently zeroed, and we're going to go for a walk. Okay, so it is currently purple, and it says print. It's hidden behind, but there's a bunch of networks here. Anyway, kick this guy up, and off we go. Right there is the first extender. So we got max signal right now. Still good signal. It's gonna be building up here in a sec, so you can see it peaking right there at the top. So we got that second extender there. Right now we're the second best network because everything else is falling off. And there we are. So we still have plenty of room to go. Yeah, right now we're actually the best network in the building. So we're at 333 feet. So a little over a football field. We could probably even go further than that. Like right now we're just getting to 3 bars. The only reason I stopped here is because there's the wall here. So yeah, that's incredible. So yeah, if you want a whole building network, that's a fantastic way to do it.